Hey there, beautiful souls. What if I told you that one small shift could transform your entire day? Imagine waking up feeling motivated, energized, and ready to conquer the world. Today, we're diving into how to raise your vibration instantly and why it works. Let's unlock the secrets to better emotions and experiences together. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the intersection of philosophy, motivation, and spirituality. Vibration is not just a buzzword, it's the key to unlocking a more fulfilling life. Everything around us, our thoughts, feelings, and even objects, has a frequency. When we learn to raise our vibration, we align ourselves with positivity, clarity, and endless opportunities. So, let's get started. But before we jump in, I want to hear from you. What do you think about the idea of raising your vibration? Have you experienced it in your life? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's break it down. Everything in the universe is energy, vibrating at different frequencies. Think of it like tuning a radio. When you find the right frequency, you hear your favorite song clearly. Similarly, when we adjust our vibration, we attract experiences that resonate with that frequency. Higher vibrations attract higher experiences, while lower vibrations can keep us stuck in negativity. Now, why does this work? Well, science tells us that we're all made of energy. Quantum physics shows us that our thoughts can influence our reality. When we raise our vibration, we align ourselves with the energy of the universe, inviting in positivity and clarity. On a spiritual level, it's all about energy alignment. When your vibe is high, you're open to new opportunities and growth. Another powerful way to raise your vibration is through mindfulness and positive self-talk. Mindfulness helps you stay present, quieting the noise of daily life and allowing you to tune into your inner energy. By focusing on your breath or the sensations in your body, you can shift your frequency to a calmer, higher state. Pair this with positive affirmations, like "I am aligned with my highest self," or "I attract abundance and joy," and you'll reprogram your subconscious mind to embrace positivity. These practices work together to elevate your vibration, making you a magnet for clarity, growth, and opportunity. Remember, your thoughts and words are energy. Use them wisely to shape your reality. All right, let's get into some practical techniques you can use right now to raise your vibration. These are quick, easy, and can be done anywhere. First up, breath work. Let's take a moment to reset our energy. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose for 4 counts, hold it for 4, and exhale through your mouth for 6. Breathing deeply helps to clear your mind and raise your energy. Next, let's do a gratitude flash. Right now, think of 3 things you're thankful for. It could be anything: a warm cup of coffee, a friend who makes you laugh, or the sunshine outside. Take a moment to really feel that gratitude. The more you focus on what you have, the higher your vibration will rise. Lastly, let's do a quick visualization. Close your eyes again and picture your best self. What are you doing? How do you feel? See yourself achieving your goals, radiating confidence and joy. Hold that image for just 30 seconds. Visualizing your best self helps you align with that energy in your daily life. Now, how does this transform you? Imagine someone who starts their day feeling low energy, but after practicing these techniques, they shift their vibe. Suddenly, they're more productive, they attract positive interactions, and they feel more fulfilled. Long term, this leads to a stronger mindset, better emotional health, and a smoother life flow. I challenge you to try one of these techniques today. Let me know in the comments how it goes. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more life-changing tips. Together, we can raise our vibrations and transform our lives. Remember, your vibration shapes your reality. You have the power to choose positivity and growth every single day. So go out there, raise your vibe, and shine your light. Until next time, keep spreading love and positivity. Bye for now.